In this video, I'll show you how to set up a voice changer on Discord. First, you'll need to download a voice changer app. Popular options include VoiceMod, Clownfish, or other real-time voice changer software. Go to the official website of your chosen app, download it, and install it on your computer. Next, open the voice changer app and set it up. Most apps will ask you to select your microphone as the input device and create a virtual microphone output. Choose a voice effect you like, such as robot, deep voice, or female voice, and test it inside the app. Now open Discord and go to User Settings, then click on Voice and Video. Under Input Device, select the virtual microphone created by your voice changer instead of your regular mic. After that, speak into your microphone and check the input level in Discord. You should hear the modified voice instead of your normal voice. If needed, adjust the input sensitivity and volume so your voice sounds clear. Once everything is set up, join a voice channel and your voice changer will work in real time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.